This is your host, Noor Ali. Right tools for right job. So about 2 years ago, not that far, I supported a site where we deployed and maintained and troubleshooted Anker style docking station. So this is a small factor Anker dock. You got to know your ports. So here are the ports. Okay. 98% of the time it's going to be the docking station plus its software, plus the cables, the monitors, and the laptop and the laptop's drivers. Keep that in mind. Okay. And of course the end users. This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job.